Hello there. Welcome to the video. I'm Scarlett, and today we will be talking about the characteristics of Reiki. But first of all, let me answer your question. Yes, Reiki is safe. No one can do any harm with the Reiki energy. Intelligent. The energy knows where to go and what to do to help you. Natural. You need no other tools or instruments besides the Reiki practitioner, who channels the Reiki energy through their hands. Gentle. The practitioner places their hands softly on the body, or just above it. Practitioners don't use massage or manipulation. Simple to learn. You can learn Reiki in 3 classes: first degree, second degree, and third degree, master level. Lifelong. After you're attuned to the Reiki energy, by studying one of the 3 degrees of Reiki, you can channel Reiki for life. Compatible with all religions or belief systems. You can receive or practice Reiki, no matter what your religion. People of all faiths use Reiki as a way to relax and heal. Components of the Reiki healing system. Reiki contains 5 central elements that the practitioner uses to prepare to channel Reiki energy and heal themselves and others. Go through this list when preparing to give or receive Reiki. Attunements. Within a context of Reiki training, you are put in tune with the Reiki energy so that you have the lifelong ability to channel the energy. Hand positions. Use a set of positions to know where to place your hands during a Reiki session. Self-Reiki hand positions. Use these positions to treat yourself with Reiki. Treating others' hand positions. Use these positions to treat other people with Reiki. Meditation and focusing. Connect with the source of Reiki universal energy and concentrate the Reiki healing energy within yourself. Symbols. Use the Reiki symbols and the sound of their name as a mantra to connect with Reiki energy. Reiki principles. The 5 principles of Reiki are used as the basis of a daily meditation practice. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be sure you don't miss any of our videos and classes. See you soon.